Nature has endowed plants with remarkable tools to endure Earth's harshest environments. From insect traps to extreme endurance, these plants turn survival into an art. Our first plant is the Venus flytrap, native to the nutrient. Poor soils of the southeastern United States, this carnivorous plant developed a way to catch and digest insects. Each trap has tiny hairs that trigger it to snap shut when prey touches them. Inside, digestive enzymes break down the insect, giving the plant essential nutrients it can't get from the soil alone. The waterwheel plant, a lesser-known relative of the Venus flytrap, lives underwater and has a similar snapping mechanism. This aquatic plant catches small invertebrates in its tiny, wheel-like traps. The waterwheel plant is incredibly efficient at trapping prey, snapping shut within milliseconds of contact. The strangler fig is a plant with a unique survival strategy. Rather than growing in soil, it starts life high in the branches of another tree. From there, it sends down roots that encase its host, eventually taking over and sometimes killing the host tree. This allows the strangler fig to access sunlight and nutrients without competing on the forest floor. Ignora africana is a plant that relies on stealth and smell for survival. Native to southern Africa, this parasitic plant lives underground, attaching its roots to other plants for nutrients. Above the ground, it produces a fleshy, smelly flower that lures beetles. Once inside, the beetles are temporarily trapped, helping pollinate the flower before they escape. The pitcher plant is another carnivorous marvel. It has a deep, slippery cavity filled with digestive fluids. Attracted by its color and scent, insects fall in and are digested. Some pitcher plants have evolved further, developing mutualistic relationships with animals like certain frogs and bats that help them gain additional nutrients. Lithops, also known as living stones, blend perfectly into their rocky desert habitats. This camouflage helps them avoid predators and conserve water. They only have 2 leaves that store moisture, and they open to allow flowers to bloom. Their rock-like appearance is a brilliant survival strategy in the arid climates of southern Africa. The creeping devil cactus, found in Mexico, has a unique ability to crawl. Over time, this cactus grows horizontally, rooting new parts of its stem as older parts die. This helps it move slowly across the desert sands, avoiding being buried and allowing it to keep thriving in challenging conditions. Welwitschia is one of the world's oldest and most resilient plants. Endemic to the Namib Desert, it can live for over 1,000 years, with just 2 leaves that grow continuously throughout its life. Its long taproot enables it to access deep water sources, allowing it to thrive in one of the driest regions on Earth. Angel's trumpet, with its beautiful yet deadly flowers, has evolved a powerful defense. Every part of this plant is toxic, capable of inducing hallucinations or worse if ingested. This toxicity protects it from herbivores and helps it survive in the wild without being consumed. Lastly, we have the cobra lily, native to the nutrient. Poor bogs of North America, it has a fascinating structure that confuses insects, leading them into its pitcher, like trap where they eventually drown. The cobra lily has no digestive enzymes of its own, but relies on bacteria to break down the insects for nutrient absorption. So that's for today. Hopefully see you in the next time. For now, goodbye.